Hi guys, today we are turning a store-bought muffin mix into a delicious chocolatey dessert. To start off, bake the muffin mix as a cake according to the instructions on the packet. I am using the SnowFlake Chocomint muffin mix. While this bakes, let's make a chocolate syrup. To the pot, add 1 cup of water together with just over half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, as well as a teaspoon of coffee. Now let all of this boil together until it thickens and coats the spoon. Once the cake is all done, poke some holes using a skewer. Pour on the chocolate syrup while the cake is still hot. Drizzle on some coconut if you would like to make this a giant lamington, or you can decorate with whatever you choose. Serve while this is still hot. Enjoy.